Did you know that a single teaspoon of honey represents the life's work of 12 bees? Yep, these tiny workers spend their entire lives gathering nectar to make just that small golden drop. Now here's the wild part. To create 1 teaspoon, these bees collectively fly over 55,000 miles. That's more than twice around the Earth. And they don't stop there. They visit about 2 million flowers along the way. So next time you drizzle honey on your toast or tea, remember, you're tasting the result of a truly epic bee adventure. Sweet, right?